the fifth legislative assembly, after the monsoon session, this has been dominated by just two things. One is national games and the second is the Kala Academy thing. And the opposition is making wild allegations against the sports minister, who is also the art and culture minister of Goa, Govind Gaude. To get answers to all these issues, what is the reality? We will be asking the minister some issues, some answers on the national games. Govind Babu, namaskar.
Namaskar.
Why is there opposition gunning for your head in this assembly session?
See, as far as my knowledge is concerned, I don't know the reason why the opposition, and there is only one opposition.
One leader.
One leader. I think that the opposition leader, or if we want to take the other parties other than the GF, nobody is targeting me.
Yeah.
If something has been gone wrong with the Govind Gaude, everybody is going to target me.
Yeah.
That means this is something personally targeting as I seen like this.
But 12 ministers are there. Why only Govind Gaude? Do you have some personal grudge? Does Vijai Sardesai hold some personal grudge?
I don't have, he is my good friend. माझ्याकडे पर्सनल माझ्याकडे हांव सगळ्यां कडेन म्हागेलें नातें बरें आसा. दुसरी गोश्ट कशें आसली, आतां तें मॅन टू मॅन कित्याक लागून कितें जाल्लें आसा कितें आसा आनी हांव ट्रान्सपरंट मनीस आसा. लेट मी टॉक व्हेरी फ्रँक विथ यू ऑल पीपल दॅट आय एम व्हेरी ट्रान्सपरंट पर्सन. I do the work for the betterment of the people of Goa, and whatever the responsibility has been shouldered on me by my own chief minister, I am giving the justice to my department, because I am always working round the clock. Maybe as for the people talks are concerned, people see me as a most performing minister. And to malign the image or tarnishing the image, this may be the reason. Because I am going ahead, I am forwarding, going ahead under my leadership. The now national games are going on. That may be the reason. I don't know what is happening.
Sir, but when we talk about all these things, see the time also, as you said that Kala Academy issue is sub judice, and I wouldn't further ask you good questions. But the timing has been such that you have fallen into that trap. As such that
no, I won't say that I have been fallen into that trap, because it is a natural calamity. First of all,
yeah,
it is an accident.
Yeah,
accident can happen at any time.
Yeah,
understand.
Correct.
So I don't know. Still, then when this is the accident took place, we cannot hold responsible to each sports minister or the PWD minister or any of the chief minister and all that. Or nor we cannot hold responsible for the engineers, because this is a natural calamity. It is an accident.
Yeah, as you said in the morning that Sardesai is trying to mislead the people. Could you tell us, just elaborate on those things? What exactly you meant?
What mislead the people? I just wanted to tell you. He has asked my question. He is asking n number of questions, but when I stand to reply his question, he never going to listen, because he just wanted to time pass. He just wanted to waste the a valuable time of the assembly hour, where people are eagerly waiting what they want. Exactly, no.
Correct.
See, normally we have never seen when a member is asking 10 or 15 number of questions. Every member is asking one or two questions and he expects an answer. He don't want the answer. He just wanted to mislead the people of the state of Goa by not listening to the answers.
What is it? I understood what he was trying to say, what he was trying to explain was that he wanted transparency. There is no transparency in either Kala Academy and National
Who
Games.
says that there is no transparency there? Who says that? Everything has been transparently given, written answers to him.
Yeah, you have given the answers in black and white.
Who says that there is no transparency? Who says then there is no transparency?
Yeah, like today again he spoke on the sports scam. He took a press conference after the assembly, whatever.
First of all, I just wanted to know you from you also. What are the sports scams? What is it?
No, he is saying that the work which have already been taken up some months ago are again being taken up.
No, just show me single work.
He is talking about the works at the swimming pool in Fatauda.
So that's what I said, that he is misleading the people.
Yeah.
Whatever the work has been carried out in the past 2 years or 1.5 years of back, whatever the tender has been floated has not been touched any work during the last tender. But this is a new tender we have floated for the diving pool, which already the work is going
The
on.
membrane galta hunda thi.
Membrane, yeah. Diving, it is in the membrane,
Yeah.
not the two pools which has been already renovated.
Okay. So
It is a different work at work.
So you mean to say that things are being made to
Yeah.
To
But things,
show- to show
see,
as if it's a
we are duplicating the work.
yeah. And
See.
secondly, sir, he said that about 5.9 crores have been paid for the PR agency or consultancy for launching of the mascot.
See, again, I think he is misleading the people.
Yeah.
5.29 CRs is a tender amount,
Yeah.
which has been bidded by the creative team.
Yeah.
It is a consultancy. But that consultancy include everything. Designing the logo, designing the mascot, designing the even anthem, then the brands, then the sports kits, whatever is going, the designing part is there, even to the displays and all, that is through the entire national games. And not to the particular what he is talking about the mascot launch.
Okay.
This 5.29 CR is of entire national game. Still the national game is going to be get over.
Is Goa totally ready for national games?
Definitely, Goa is preparing for the national games.
The infrastructure is ready.
As far as infrastructure is concerned, we have never taken a new infrastructure for the hosting of these national games.
Okay.
Only refurbishment is going on. Some painting, whatever the requirement has been given by the DOCs in the technical team of the IOA, which they required for the hosting the games. That is the only work is going to be carried out.
We talk about spending 225 crores for the national games.
Yeah.
What is Goa's chances of winning medal? How much of money has been spent on the
See,
Goan team?
nobody can predict winning the
As a host city,
medal.
we have
But we are putting our every efforts to win the medals.
Yeah.
Even a sure athlete, even a star cannot say that I am going to win the medal, because it is a sports, it is a game.
But how is the preparation?
Preparation is going on. See, preparation is going on. We have given a very clear instructions to the associations. You start the selection, you start the preparation, and get into the practice, and then you prepare for the next thing. Now, preparation has to be done by all the associations and the athletes who are going to participate. After the selection trial, they have to practice and practice and practice. It is not in the hand of us.
No, but what kind of support they are getting from the
See,
sports
we have assured them you are going to get the every support.
Yeah.
Whatever the support is asked by the federation, by the associations, we are going to give the
Well,
support.
the sports person complained that their medal winning money, whatever is promised to them, they don't get it in time. What
Who
is the
says this?
reason?
Who says this? Just give me a single name who won the medal and they have not got the reward.
Okay.
Last year, I have given an assurance on the floor of the house. Before Ganesh Chaturthi, I am going to pay you each and every balance amount or the due amount which is to be paid for the medal winners, and I have kept my word. Even this time also, there will be some people who has not submitted the required documentation and the evidences to the SAG. Only those people has been kept refrain from getting the award money or the cash money who has got the.
You are hosting such a big event, or
Usually,
event
yeah.
of such intensity.
Yeah.
So you would be requiring the support of the opposition as well.
Yeah, of course, I am again and again I am appealing to each and every one, not only from the political parties. I want the major support from the each and every fraternity, all the associations, all the stakeholders, everyone. whose presence is there in the sporting field. Everybody's support is required. See, it is not, these national games are not only pertaining to the opposition or the ruling. It is the people's game. It is the Goan's game. And Goan must understand, and they should get the benefit out of these national games. That is my dream. The national games concept has to be reached to each and every house, so that the parents is going to motivate, parents are going to promote to their own children in the field of sports, because sports is blooming in the entire world. And that is the Honorable Prime Minister dream is there. And Honorable Prime Minister always talks about the sports whenever he travels to the outside the nation. Because, and Honorable Prime Minister vision is there, one day our own Indian athletes should be in the top table tally of the medals.
Your concluding remark: there is no scam in national games.
Definitely. See, everything is transparent. See, this I don't know. National games are yet to begin. Yet to begin. There is a 98% national games work has been left. Where the question comes of scam? You just tell me. Where the question comes of scam?
Only thing I missed.
Not even single rupee has been paid to the bidder or the contractor or the agency has already done the work. So where is the question of scam?
You said that the media misquoted you on
Yeah,
that.
definitely it is. It is there. It is there on the public domain. My statement is there.
Okay.
It is
So
misquoted.
you never made
And see, I have never made the statement like that. And that statement has been made on the 18th.
Okay.
Actually, if somebody wants to highlight that statement, it would have appeared in the yesterday's paper or the estate media or on the 18th media. Why it is appeared in today only? Why? Because it is they want to
Sabotage.
sabotage the issue.
Yeah.
See, media person is not going to touch to the old news, no?
Yeah.
They are going to touch to the only what they are got a fresh in their story. This is the old story. That means purposely the people who has wrapped up with all these kinds of crook-minded people, and that's why this has come today. You understand, no?
Okay, thank you, Govind Bab, for giving us your precious time during the assembly and clearing all the doubts of our viewers. And we wish you all the best for national games.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank
sir.
you.